XR Football 3-box break number 2. First thing we got to do, is got to roll the dice. And we're going to go 5 and a 4, 9 times. 9 times. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We got TJ up top down to Jared right there. Right there. Let's roll the dice on 5 and a 4, 9 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The Bears down to the Chargers right there. There we go. So TJ, you got the Bears. Brian, Eagles. David M, Titans. Josh, Chiefs. Karina, Colts. Brandon, Bills. Alex, 49ers. We have Brandon with the Bills. Alex K, 49ers. I'm losing my spot here. Jennifer, Lions. Ziggy, Cowboys. Chandler, Texans. Paul, Falcons. Jose, Ravens. Anthony, Vikings. Mike, Browns. Chris, Bucks. TJ, Jaguars. Chad, Cardinals. Chandler, Bengals. Jason, Dolphins. Jason R, Dolphins. Charles, Broncos. We got Sautery, Steelers. TJ, Raiders. Karen, Jets. Preston, Giants. Chad, Saints. Reginald, Packers. Josh, Patriots. Jared, Redskins. Eric, Panthers. Brandon with the Rams. Jason K, Seahawks. And Jared, Chargers. So we got some teams up for trade. Redskins up for trade. Saints up for trade. Oh yeah, you have the not the Saints, but the Packers, right? Let's pick the boxes as well. All right, see you, Axel. Box 15, yes. Box 1, yes. And box 15, I did it. Box 4. Here we go. Got the boxes there. Got box 1, 4, and 15.
Actually, you didn't even need to do that. I set that random up for a random. We're doing a PYT. Okay. So basically, we're doing a PYT. Everybody just paste everybody.
TJ is gonna hold the Bucks. Anyone else want to trade? Packers for Colts. Last call for trades. Any other trades? I'll post another XR while everyone possibly trades.
Yeah, and the Chiefs too, Steve. Forget about those pesky Chiefs. Where's the font?
You might not be in the room, so we'll go ahead and start it. Sorry, Reggie. Let's go ahead and post the next one. So the next one's up in the store. Giants are pretty good, Preston. They got a bunch of rookies. All right. Trade window closed. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Got box 1, got box 4, got box 15.
Young Ho Koo kicks away. Field goals made.
Solid.
Yeah, especially in the tight spot. Yeah. Yeah.
Show the list. Last time.
First one up, number to 199, Jonathan Allen.
All right.
We got Aaron Donald, number to 299.
I'm planning on it. Yeah, I like it.
We have Alex Smith and Doug Baldwin. We got a Dalvin Tomlinson rookie. And we got a Raekwon McMillan auto, number to 199 for the Dolphins. Miami Dolphins is Jason R. What's up, Mario? And we got a triple relic numbered 48 out of 49. Kenny Galladay, Matthew Stafford, and Golden Tate III. Team trios numbered to 49. Detroit Lions is Jennifer. On that one.
Once you're done. Yeah, once you're done. Before he's done.
Nice contender sold out. Yeah, we'll do that next.
How many boxes of that? 3?
What's that?
How many boxes in them? 3?
Yeah, 3 box break.
Here we go back to the. Now when we're doing the.
All right, we got 44 of 49, Chris Godwin. Got Ryan Anderson, number to 299 for the Redskins. And another Aaron Donald. This one's number to 199.
Back.
I know, right? He stopped getting fined like $1 million a game. He's like, when he missed the first game, he got fined like $3 million.
Yeah, he held out for nothing. I mean, he still doesn't get a contract. Just play
He wants to
through
get
it.
paid like $40 million a year.
I mean,
Karis McKinley,
He's
not
had
even
like the
that worth
best
it.
3 years in his like career.
We got nice jumbo jersey auto number 49, Davis Webb.
His stats reflect it, but doesn't mean his personality.
But I mean, the Rams were so bad last year, so it obviously didn't really. That goes out to the Giants. Preston, there you go. Was asking if the Giants were any good in this.
The Cowboys game, I didn't even watch it, but it was great.
I know, it was so good. Like, I don't think he should get more than like Von Miller. I'd rather Von Miller. Next box, box 4, and Von Miller got a ton.
It's only 2 packs.
Yeah, so easy. I saw Jeffrey Lurie and Roger Goodell did something too.
Did you see that?
They like, met with like the police commissioner.
Yeah, Malcolm Jenkins
And, like, Anquan
Chris
Bolden,
Long
too.
and all those guys trying to raise awareness. And what people do
It's
is
funny after the whole thing.
yeah. Well, they're just trying to show that they
Good
support it.
publicity.
Yeah.
3 out of 199, Amari Cooper.
Trying to say that when they do it during the anthem, it's not.
Josh
just
Malone, number to 299. We got Alshon Jeffrey, Big Ben, Josh Jones. This is nice. 15 out of 25. A nice autograph of John Ross for the Bengals. That goes out to Chandler. Chandler Jones, 15 of 25, John Ross.
Patriot.
I know, the football player.
Would be fun. I hope one day that happens. Like it's like actually a revolt. Like Evan Mathis. He's just like, hey, what's going on?
We pull like an Evan Mathis card. And look at that. 1 of 5, Deshaun Kaiser for the Browns. Rookie jumbo patch, 2-color. Cleveland Browns is Mike Tower. Nice. There you go, Mike. All right, next pack. We got Donnell Pumphrey, Chris Conley, Joey Bosa, Buda Baker, number 299. Drew Brees, number to 199. We got a dual number to 25, Carlos Hyde, Joe Williams. And we got a triple relic, triple orange there, 76 out of 199, Carlos Henderson for the Broncos. Charles. There you go, Charles. And one more box to go. Good luck. This one feels a lot lighter. I'll show these first. 150 points. Randomize that at the end. Shady McCoy, number to 299. Pat Pete, number to 199. Jameis Winston. Luke Kuechly. And Karis McKinley.
Luke Kuechly. That's a name I haven't heard in a while.
What happened?
How do you know what combos are for triple threats?
90 of 99, Dak Prescott. I made him.
Yeah, but where's it, how do you cut and paste it? Where's the list? Is it on the all spot sold sheet?
I'll add it.
Oh, okay. So it isn't. So it would be there.
Nice Dak. 80 of 99, Dallas Cowboys is Ziggy. There you go, Ziggy. And last pack, good luck. Marcus Williams, Corey Coleman, Frank Gore, DeMarco Murray, numbered to 199. We got 3, 6, 9 boxes left. Kirk Cousins right there, number to 299. We got a nice O.J. Howard, number 299 for the Bucks. And last hit of the break is Joe Williams, jersey auto, 39 of 49. Joe Williams, Alex K with the 49ers. So there you go. So thanks everybody. That was 2017 Panini XR Football. Thanks over for getting in. JaspysHotBand.com.